Saint Anthony, Miracle and Meaning. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to the first day of meditation on the miracles of Saint Anthony. One day, Saint Anthony went to preach to a small town called Rimini. Rimini was filled with heretics, people who believed in so many heresies that they were no longer true faithful of Christ. When St. Anthony went there and started preaching, people showed their disinterest. They were not interested in what he was speaking, and they denied his words. As a gesture, a dramatic gesture against them, St. Anthony went out from that little town towards the seashore, and he started facing the seashore and preaching. And he used these words: "Behold, because you deny the word, now I turn to these fishes." And no sooner, a shoal of fish came towards the shore, and thrusting their ears towards St. Anthony, half looking up, they were concentrating on his words as though they were listening. And St. Anthony was preaching to them, and after which he blessed those fishes and they went away. The people of Rimini who saw this, they ran to the town and told people what all happened. And in tears, the whole place of Rimini repented. They invited St. Anthony back to their place, and they started hearing the word, and the word cleansed them from the heresy, and the whole town of Rimini was saved on that day. Meditation. Dear brothers and sisters, not only the town of Rimini, but even our present day is filled with so many heresies. We believe in so many things that are not Christ. So today, St. Anthony is asking us a question: are you a Christian? Being a Christian doesn't mean an identity, doesn't mean an ID card, doesn't mean you having a set of beliefs or set of rituals or set of philosophy. Being a Christian means, do you have a personal connect, a personal relationship with Jesus Christ? Yes or no? Today, St. Anthony is inviting each one of us to listen to the word and to let the word transform us completely. Amen.